All right, class, what's up? Sorry I can't be there today. I'm out here in Jersey. Actually, technically, right now, still in California at my house. But I just wanted to give you all a tip on what we're doing today in class. So there's two things that you have to accomplish. The first one, and probably the most important, is I really want you now to start writing your speech. This is a chance for you to really go in depth with what you're trying to say. It's a chance for you to let out your ideas. But if we think about the speech process, you start with the brainstorm. We did that. Then you start with some research. You start really thinking, is this possible? Is this feasible to do in the time frame, to possibly do in the classroom? And if it isn't possible to do in the classroom, can I do this outside of the classroom, make videos, take pictures, whatever, and then bring that in? Now that you're at that point, we have to start writing the speech. And that's where today comes in. As we think about this, I really want you to again, experiment a little bit with how you're organizing your ideas. Writing a speech, I tend to write it out almost like a paper first. I organize my ideas by paragraphs. I keep my intro separate, a hook, my thesis. And sometimes I have to expand that a little bit depending on how long my speech is. If my speech is 20 minutes, my intro might be 3 minutes. Your speech is going to be 4 to 6 minutes almost. So you're going to need, maybe 30 seconds to a minute intro. Then you go into your support. So today, start organizing. Start organizing your thoughts, putting them in step-by-step manners. But remember, your classmates might not know how to do your topic, so do your best to make sure that you're giving us the detail that we need so that if we were to do this by ourselves, we would have a good understanding of how to do that. I will put a Google Doc online, type it up in there, boom, submit it. This is going to be due by Sunday afternoon. I'm going to actually put it by Sunday at 5 to kind of force some of you to take initiative. But please don't waste this time today. You have an entire class period, so when your speech comes, I do not want to hear, oh, Mr. G, we have a test in this other class, or we had a project due here. You have time. Manage your time wisely. Once you finish that, or as you're working alongside that, I'm also giving you a few pages to read in Talk Like TED. I will put the requirements up there. I think in total, it's about 10 pages. But it's about teaching your audience something, which relates perfectly to your how-to speech. So do your reading, write your speech, and if you want, while you're writing your speech, I do prefer that you do your visuals after, but if you want to kind of do them alongside of each other, as long as they have enough depth in your written speech outline, I'm okay if you go side by side with your outline visuals, so they align very well. Other than that, be on your best behavior. Take care of business. If you need headphones and you want to listen to music, that's fine, but make sure you're working. Have fun. Have a good weekend. I'll see all of you on Monday.